Hello everyone, my name is Manaswi Raj and my roll number is 21MA10032. And in this DIY project, I am going to disassemble this set-top box and then again assemble it. So, start. And now I am going to disassemble this part. So, yeah. Just a second. So as you can see, I have opened this circuit, although it is not in a good condition. So yeah, so I will start with this switch. So this is the power cable which is pushed into the plug, and this is the part which takes AC power, and it should be connected over here, and this is the connecting wire between this terminal and this terminal, and this is connected to here. So I will just remove it as it is causing confusion. So I'll remove it for now. And like I said before, this is for AC power. Now we can operate this set-top box on DC power as well. So for that, we have these two terminals over here. Here it is written 12 volt DC battery can be used for this. So yeah. So basically, when DC battery is plugged in, this circuit is operating, and this circuit has transformer and an inductor, and also some like diodes, which are basically diode bridge rectifiers. And so these wires, as you can see, I will lift it up. So these wires pass through this circuit, and from here we get the power, and which is passed to this circuit. I forgot to mention, we have two parts. So this part is called SMPS or PCB, which is for power supply, and this is called the motherboard. The motherboard is used for audio, video and signal control. So we were at this part. So basically the power is supplied to this circuit, and it has a fuse as well. So here the fuse is broken, as you can see. So it is not working definitely. And it also has some other components such as inductor, again a transformer, capacitor, main capacitor, and a few other capacitors as well. And here a point of interest is the Zener diode. Also we have two IC1 and IC2, and some resistors. And on this part we have the designated maximum voltage supply for the several components of this circuit. I will close this fuse, and then we have this jumper wire which was connected over here. And so this wire connects this power supply board to the motherboard. And then we have few other things as well, like this part. It is used for inserting wires into speakers. We can use two speakers at a time using this set-top box, and the wires from the signal from the is passed from this circuit to the speakers, and these two wires are connected to this circuit as well for power supply. And then also I would like to show, there are few buttons like volume, then bass control, then treble control, channel controller, and other buttons like OK, volume plus, volume minus, and menu button. And this is the power button. So as I explained before, this is the power, this is the switch, this is the plug which is connected to the socket, and we have these two wires which were connected to over here. So if this is turned on, signal flows from here to here, and then this power SMPS takes into action, and then power flows signal flows from here to here, the motherboard. And also this part which I showed before, the volume control, etc. These buttons take inputs and are passed to the motherboard as well as the speaker part. So speaker part, or maybe the television part as well. So yeah, so this is the motherboard which controls the signal, audio and video, and it has various components such as like there are some IC chips, and also we have like several capacitors and stuffs like that. Also here we have like here a number is written like 4309, which is used to which is a type of motherboard, and this part is connected to the TV, or yeah, this part is connected to the TV, and so this part is connected to the TV. So when we give input from these buttons, it reflects into the TV. So I explained various parts, like how it operates, how it takes power both in AC as well as DC, and then signal passes from SMPS to the motherboard. And also one thing, that if something goes wrong with the set-top box, there is a high chance that there is a problem in the SMPS board only, not in the motherboard, because it doesn't wears out easily. And yeah, and also this I mentioned before, that this was the diode bridge rectifier, which converts AC signal into a DC signal using the rectifier circuit. And yeah, so I explained the various components. Now I will just close this cover. I opened these before, so I will just close it. Yeah, and these I will just keep it inside, and I will just put on the cover of the set-top box. So this was it. I explained the various components of the set-top box. Thank you very much.